Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my green screen kit. I just got it in and I'll show you a photo of what I have been using, and I no longer need it because the green screen kit is in. So let's see what's in here. And this is like a bonus green screen kit. It really is a green screen kit. So it is an upgrade. It took it a little longer to get here than what they said. So let's see what's in here. Fabulous. So what came in here is a black screen, the famous green screen, and a white screen. I think this is more of a photographer's type photo setup kit, which I don't mind. And I have 1, 2, 3 umbrellas. So let's see, I'll let this one up. Each umbrella has a stand, so I have to go through that. Wow. It's like a regular umbrella. And I'm not too sure about brand name, and right now I'm using this for my virtual classroom, so a name brand means nothing to me at this point. I just really need the green screen, and I need this lighting at night when the lighting is poor. I don't want to use the inside light. So there are 3 clamps, and they are pretty strong too. I saw these clamps, some similar to this, at the flea market and the dollar store, where they have like an orange piece right up in here. So that's 3 clamps that come along with it, and that is supposed to be for clamping the green screen onto the pole. And I think this is what it is. This is a carry bag. I do believe that this is the green screen setup. It's velcroed. It has a velcro piece on this end and that end, and then this handle has a velcro piece here, and it holds it together kind of compact. It's opening up this way, and then on one end it is velcroed in there with the setup. So I want to stay away from this. Not too sure what it'll look like when let's see what'll happen so you can see more of this. For some reason it keeps zooming in. I'm trying to get you to see everything. So this is one of the stands, and this looks to be really nice. It looks to be like one of the stands for the green screen setup itself. Alright, so you can have the legs wide like that or narrow. Nice. So I'll set that to the side and take all of this out. It's 4 poles that fit a certain way. It's almost like the computers. So it has these little locking buttons. I think that's going to be the crossbar. I will set that up shortly. I want to see what else is in here. This should be the other stand, because the green screen itself requires 2 stands. Yep, that's it. That's the other stand. So I'll set this over to the side. So that's the part that holds the green screen itself, the backdrop, which it comes with this nice little carry case, which is nice. It makes it portable if I want to do something if I want to do some type of video at a different location, I can just take the green screen and my computer and I'm set. The other stuff is the lighting. I believe it'll be the bulbs. Let's see what's in here. There's 4 of these. No, it isn't. It's 3 of these. That's those bulbs. It looks like the energy efficient ones, which they did say they came with it. So this is like a complete kit. I like the packaging. It's in this styrofoam, so you don't have to worry about it breaking, but I handle with care anyway. So there's 3 of those. Let me set those there out of the way. I don't want them to break. And then there's 3 of these. So let's see what it is. I know it's supposed to be 3 full lamp setups. And that is what this is. So the bulb will go in there. So that's the lamp setup. So we have this piece fixture, which the bulb goes in. There's 3 of those. We have these 3 of these, which should be the stands for the lamps. And these stands look exactly like the stands for the backdrop. It's the same stand. So you get 3 of those. 1 for each of your lamps. And each lamp is supposed to be one with the umbrella. And then here's another carry bag, which is slightly different than the other one. And this carry bag looks like this is the carry bag for the lamps. So that's really nice. When they said a carry bag, I thought it was just going to be a carry bag for the green screen backdrop. However, you get 2 carry bags, and then here are the instructions. I'll turn it that way with the setup to show you how to actually put the screen or the umbrella onto it really nicely. So now here's the product list. Let's see. We have the light stands. That was the 3 in the box. The black umbrella screen, the black umbrella, the 2 white umbrellas. We have the 3 they call it light heads to hold the light bulbs. We have the 3 light bulbs, then we have the 3 clamps, and then the background for the backdrop green screen, the white screen or the black screen. We have 4 pieces for the crossbar and the 2 stands, and then the material fabric, a green, a white, and a black, and then we have a carry bag. So they're showing 1 carry bag on here. However, you get 2 carry bags. So let's see what's on the next page. And then they just show you how to set it up. This is really nice. So you get 2 carry bags in all, which is a great thing. So this really would be great. I guess this is a photographer setup where you have your lighting and you have your green screen, and by you having 2 bags, you can carry all of this equipment with you to a location. This was well worth it. This is, I seen it for upwards of $200 and some odd on eBay, and I also saw it for quite a bit more than that on some of the sites when I did a internet search. So now I'm going to go ahead and I guess set up the backdrop and see what it's like.